Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by securing your data. Back up with Time Machine or copy essential files to an external drive, then sign out of iCloud and iMessage so activation lock won't interfere. Once done, make sure your MacBook Air is plugged into power and connected to stable Wi-Fi. You'll need internet for reinstall. Restart the Mac and immediately hold the correct keyboard combination for recovery. This starts the macOS recovery environment so you can wipe and reinstall cleanly. Once in recovery, open Disk Utility and select the internal SSD or Macintosh HD. You'll click Erase and choose the file system, Apps for recent macOS versions or macOS Extended, Journaled for older systems, so the installer accepts it. Make sure to erase the correct volume, and if required, use security options for a stronger wipe. However, one-pass erase is usually fine for most users. After the erase completes, quit Disk Utility to continue to the reinstall step. You now choose Reinstall macOS from the Recovery menu and follow the on-screen prompts. The installer downloads the correct version and performs the installation. Once macOS finishes, the Setup Assistant lets you create a new user or restore from your backup. Make sure to sign back into your Apple ID to restore purchases. If recovery doesn't load or installation errors occur, use Internet Recovery with Option Command R, check your Wi-Fi, or try another Ethernet/Wi-Fi network as a key.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.